Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Favorn and today I'm back with a highlight and contour makeup tutorial. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. This is my before, and I went on and worked on my eyebrows with soap and spoolie in order to make them look natural. Then I went on with my eye pencil, that is DV 2-in-1, and shaped my eyebrows plus filling them. Chap chap. I'm going to go on with my concealer from the Atticus in order to clean the eyebrows. Yes, BB Plus foundation at the inner corner of the eyebrows in order to make it easier when blending later, and also at the upper part of the eyebrows. Then I'm going to remove the excess concealer using my brush. Let's now proceed with working on the face, and I'm going to go on with my BB Plus foundation in shade number 3, and I'm going to go on with my beauty blender in order to blend everything very well into the skin. Yeah, I'm still blending, and I'll go on with my foundation brush. It's time for highlighting, and I'm going to highlight under my eyes plus the T-zone area using my concealer from the Atticus, and please use a lighter shade when highlighting. And then with a beauty blend, I'm going to go on and blend the concealer. I'm going to go on with my foundation brush in order to remove the harsh lines. I'm going to blend the concealer with the foundation, so you should focus on that. I'm going to go on with this shade from my powder palette in order to apply it on the areas where I've highlighted with the concealer, and please, when doing this, go on with a lighter shade of powder. Now it's time for contouring. I'm going to use that shade from my powder palette still, and you can use a bronzer, and if you have decided to use a powder, make sure that it is darker and focus on the areas under the cheeks plus the areas near the upper part of your forehead. Then I'm going to go on and contour my nose using that shade still, but make sure that when you're contouring your nose, don't choose a very darker shade. At least it should be somehow lighter so that it will be easier when blending later. I'm going to go on and bake. That is with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, as you can see. But if you're a beginner, you can skip this. Then I decided to first work on my eyelids. That's with applying Favorn eyeshadow, and I'm going to go on with that red shade from my Full Faced eyeshadow tray. And then at the center of the eyelids, I'm going to go on with that color red still. I'm going to use eyeliner from the 24-hour matte eyeliner, that is from the Kiss Beauty. And then I went on with my Kylie mascara in order to remove any eyeshadow particles in my eyelashes, plus to add more volume to them. I'm back on the face and I'm going to remove the excess powder with a brush, a small brush. Then to add more, on my look, I'm going to go on with that color blue shade under my eyes in order to make my look more popping. Then I went on with my LA Girl setting spray. Now it's time for highlighting, and I'm going to go on with the Favorn Vivid Baked Highlighter and highlight the areas near the cheekbones, the tip of the nose, the tip of the mouth, plus the forehead. As you can see, yeah, that's where I should focus, and don't use too much amount. And yeah, beauties, when highlighting the cheeks, make sure that you highlight on the upper part of the areas you have contoured. Now I'm going to go on with the Vivid Brusher in order to give the look more warm, as you can see. With lipstick, I decided to go on with that black lipstick. and applied it and started blending it with my lips, and then added some nude color at the center of my lips. Decided to add some lip gloss in order to have a glossy lips look. And yes, beauties, this is the final look. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you will try it out one day, and let me know if you have learned how to highlight and contour. See you in my next video. And yeah, in case there is any video you'd like to see me do next, kindly drop it in the comment section. And yeah, beauty, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.